Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Supervisor Lecturer, Miss Susan Febriantina, SPD MPD, and Supervisor 2, Miss Ervina Maulida, SPD MBA. I am Tarida Alfia Chaniago from Bachelor of Office Administration Education, Faculty of Economics and Business. Here, I will explain my research proposal with the title, The Effect of Organizational Climate, Leadership and Trust on Knowledge-Sharing Behavior in the Society Vocational High School Teachers in Bambu Apus, Urban Village, East Jakarta. Chapter 1, Introduction. 1. Background. 2. Research questions. 3. Research objective. And 4. Research benefit. Chapter 1, Introduction. 1. Background. Quality education is the main foundation of human research development. In vocational high school or SMK, knowledge sharing among teachers plays an important role in improving teaching quality. Ainulisani and Radikun 2022 said that the process of sharing knowledge not only allow an individual to gain new and diverse knowledge, but also becomes an important dimension in creating innovation. In this case, of course, research on knowledge-sharing behavior continue to grow in the academic environment. The initial survey result of the studies show significant distrust among teachers regarding the confidentiality of information and the impact of trust when implementing knowledge-sharing behavior. Furthermore, instruction leadership did not appear to contribute to innovation in teachers' methods. Test finding can be the basis for improving communication and collaborating in the school environment to build breathing trust among teachers. According to Cheng et al. 2009 in the study The Last Super 2021, some factors that can influence knowledge sharing are organizational factor, namely factor originating from the environment or other individual, such as external factor, then there are individual factor which are factor that arise from within the individual and technological factor, namely factor that support sharing activities such as hardware and software or what is called learning and social media. From the result of the pre-survey above, it can be concluded that organizational climate and leadership are the biggest factor influencing behavior in sharing knowledge with a percentage of 22%. Then the trust factor is the biggest influence in sharing knowledge with a percentage of 90%. Thus, from the result of the initial pre-survey, researchers used the variable of organization climate, leadership, and trust as factor in influence knowledge-sharing behavior. Next, research question. Based on the above background, it can be formulated as follows. 1. Does organization climate affect knowledge-sharing behavior among teachers of public vocation school in Bambu Apus Urban Village, East Jakarta? 2. Is there an effect of leadership on knowledge-sharing behavior among teachers of state vocation school in Bambu Apus Urban Village, East Jakarta? 3. Is there an influence of trust on knowledge-sharing behavior among teachers of state vocation school in Bambu Apus Urban Village, East Jakarta? Next, research objective. The purpose of the research is to find out 1. Knowing the effect of organizational climate on knowledge-sharing behavior among teachers of state vocation school in Bambu Apus Urban Village, East Jakarta. 2. Knowing the effect of leadership on knowledge-sharing behavior among teachers of state vocation school in Bambu Apus Urban Village, East Jakarta. 3. Knowing the effect of trust on knowledge-sharing behavior among teachers of public vocation school in Bambu Apus Urban Village, East Jakarta. Next, research benefit. 1. Theoretical. The results of this study are theoretically expected to be a reference in the field of education related to organizational climate, leadership, and trust in knowledge-sharing behavior and can be used to increase knowledge and insight and become a motivation for future research. 2. Practical. Practically, the results of this study are expected to be a basis for consideration and become input for vocational high school teachers to evaluate the knowledge-sharing behavior system. Chapter 2. Overview. Theoretical Foundation. Definition of knowledge-sharing behavior. Mohasel et al. 2024 state that knowledge-sharing behavior is the process of distributing information and understanding to others in an organization. 2. Definition of organization climate. Organization climate is a working condition or atmosphere that is created in the workplace and affect the attitudes, behavior, and personality of employees. In Faradillah et al. 2024. 3. Definition of leadership. According to Hutahayan 2021, leadership is said to be the ability to direct the behavior of subordinates or groups, a way to influence others, be it subordinates or groups, and be able to. Next, definition of trust. According to McAllister 1995 in Maulana's Research 2022, trust is the level of individual self-confidence to carry out an action based on saying, giving, acting, and other individual decisions. Next, previous research. The role of organization climate in managing knowledge sharing among academics in higher education. This research aimed to develop a practical understanding of the impact of organization climate, leadership, and trust on knowledge sharing across culture boundaries. In the research of Al-Kurdi et al. 2020, this study has significantly recognized the positive influence of organization climate, trust, and leadership on academical knowledge sharing intention. 2. The effect of transformational leadership and organizational climate on knowledge sharing behavior at PTT. Sarah 2020 stated that based on the analysis, organizational climate makes the greatest contribution to knowledge sharing behavior. In addition, the result of the analysis show that organizational climate makes the greatest contribution to knowledge sharing behavior, followed by leadership. Next, hypothesis development. 1. Effect of organizational climate on knowledge sharing behavior. Organizational climate is closely related to knowledge sharing behavior, where an organization requires knowledge sharing behavior with each other, both between individuals and between teams. Sarah 2020. Next, the effect of leadership on knowledge sharing behavior. Prasetya Ningtyas 2020 stated that leadership showed that leaders facilitate this knowledge-sharing process by acting as role models of how knowledge is shared, setting incentives for knowledge sharing, and providing a network of knowledgeable organizational members. The effect of trust on knowledge-sharing behavior. Trust allows teams members to be more willing to share information and knowledge to achieve common goals. Faradillah and Damarwulan 2024. Next, the effect of organizational climate, leadership, and trust on knowledge-sharing behavior. The power of knowledge will increase if the knowledge is shared. Nonaka and Tekuchi 1995, and knowledge sharing is arguably the foundation of any knowledge management programs. The study assesses the role of organizational climate operationalized by organizational leadership and trust on knowledge sharing of academics in HEIS Al-Kurdi et al. 2020. Chapter 3. Research Methodology. 1. Time and place of research. The time used by researchers from submitting titles, preparing proposal to proposal hearings, take about 4 months. Starting with the submission of the title in Desember 2024, the preparation of the proposal from January to March, and estimate proposal hearing in April. This research was conducted at State Vocational School located in Bambu Apus, Urban State, East Jakarta. The school that became the research site where VHS 51 Jakarta, VHS 58 Jakarta, and VHS 24 Jakarta. This research was conducted online through the Google Forms platform, using a data collection method in the form of a questionnaire distributed to state vocational school teachers in Bambu Apus Village, East Jakarta. The researcher chose SMK Negeri in Kelurahan Bambu Apus, East Jakarta, as the research location based on logistical feasibility and operational efficiency. Given its location close to the researcher's residence, this location allows for routine data collection visit, consistent monitoring, and timely intervention when needed. In addition, the reduction in travel time and cost contributes to a more sustainable and research-efficient research design. Therefore, the researchers choose this location to conduct the research. This is in accordance with the research variables taken by the researchers. Next, research design. The analyst conducted in the study used a quantitative approach. By utilizing data sources that have been collected and analyzed, it aims to verify the impact of the formulated hypothesis. The study aims to determine the factor that inhibit and accelerate the practice of knowledge sharing in State Vocational High School in Bambu Apus Urban Village, East Jakarta. The variables to be tested are organizational climate, leadership, trust, and knowledge sharing behavior. Next, population. The population in this study were 183 teachers who were still active teaching in 3 state vocational schools in Bambu Apus Urban Village, East Jakarta. The population reach is teachers of state vocational school in Bambu Apus Urban Village, East Jakarta, while the school are VHS 51 Jakarta, VHS 58 Jakarta, and VHS 24 Jakarta. This rincian populasi terjangkau. SMKN 51 Jakarta are 48 teachers, VHS 58 Jakarta 69 teachers, VHS 24 Jakarta is 66 teachers, and all 183 teachers. Next, sample. In this study, researchers used a simple random sampling method which is included in the probability sampling category, namely sampling technique that approve equal opportunities for each element members of the population to be selected as sample members Sugiono 2019. In this study, the criteria used to select sample were teachers who were still actively teaching at SMKN 51 Jakarta, VHS 58 Jakarta, and VHS 24 Jakarta, location in Bambu Apus Urban Village, East Jakarta. In determining the numbers of samples, researchers use the Taro-Yamane formula, which is formula as follows. Based on the above formula with a confidence percentage level of 95% and error rate of 5%. 126 samples were found to be studied, which are teachers of State Vocation School in Bambu Apus Urban Village, East Jakarta. The purpose of the researchers using the simple random sampling technique is so that all teachers respondents at the vocational school have the opportunity to become respondents. Because the variable of sharing knowledge can be done by anyone, be it civil servant teachers, P3K, or honorary non-ASN. In this study, The criteria used to select the sample were teachers who were still actively teaching at VHS 51 Jakarta, VHS 58 Jakarta, and VHS 24 Jakarta, location in Bambu Apus Village, East Jakarta. Next, data collection technique. The data collection technique is assisted by Google Forms. This data collection method will use online survey technique and will be distributed to the intended respondent. The scale used in this research is the Likert type scale. According to Sugiono 2019, Likert scale is used to measure the attitudes, opinions, and views of individuals or groups of people towards social phenomena. In this study, using a 5-point Likert type scale or a Likert scale 1 to 5. By using a Likert scale, the variables to be measured are described as indicator variable. These indicators are then used as the basis for complying instrument details that can be in the form of conclusions or questions. Each response to an instrument item using a Likert scale has a level from very positive to very negative. Next, data analysis technique. The analysis technique used by researchers using SAM-PLS is an analytical technique that combines structural approach, factor analysis approach, and path analysis in Harahap 2020, in Musyafi'i et al. 2022 by using Smart PLS software. Researchers use SAM-PLS because with SAM-PLS, researchers can test validity and reliability while testing hypotheses. Chapter 4. Result and Discussion. 1. Profiled respondent. Respondent based on gender, there are 82 female respondents and 44 male respondents. This is the percentage of respondents based on age. And next, this is percentage of respondents based on school origin. And this is the percentage of respondents based on educator status. Next is profile data. This study examines 4 variables, including 3 independent variables, namely organization climate, leadership, trust, and 1 independent variable is knowledge sharing behavior. This convergent validity test, the outer loading value is above 0.7, as well as the AV value above 0.5, which means that all indicators meet the validity true. Next, discriminant validity. The discriminant validity value in this study is above 0.7, which means that the discriminant validity value is achieved. Next, composite validity. Composite validity in this study is above 0.7, where the reliability test in this study can be said to be good. Analysis intermodal. R-square. R-square in this study obtained a value above 0.5, which means that the value of the rich model can be said to have a strong relationship between variables. Next is Q2. In this study has a blindfolding stone t-cell calculation that has evaluation criteria for cross-validation. Variance inflation factor. The fifth value in this study is above 500, and it can be said that there is no multicollinearity problem, and this table 5. Next is hypothesis result. The PET coefficient, statistics, and p-value in the study were used to test where a variable had a positive or negative relationship with other variables and to examine the significant value between variables. From the 3 hypotheses, the result it can be considered that's variable. Variable all less than 0.05. Next, Chapter 5, Closing. 1. Conclusion. The results of the analysis show that organization climate has a positive and significant influence on knowledge-sharing behavior. 2. Leadership has also been proven to have a positive and significant influence on knowledge-sharing behavior. 3. Trust among teachers is the variable that has the greatest influence on knowledge-sharing behavior. Last, simultaneously, the three variables, organization climate, leadership, and trust, variation in knowledge sharing behavior among teachers at the State Vocation School in Bambu Apus, East Jakarta. Next, practical implication. In practical terms, the result of this study improved recommendation for school, particularly principals and management of public vocation school in Bambu Apus village to focus more on creating a positive organization climate. 2. School needs to provide a reward or incentive system for teachers who actively share knowledge, as well as ensure transparency and good communication so that trust among teachers is strengthened. Next, theoretical implication. The result of the study reinforced previous theories stating that organization climate, leadership, and trust are important factors that influence knowledge and behavior in educational settings. 2. The study also adds empirical references, particularly in this content of vocational secondary education, which can be used as a references for further research that seeks to examine the determining factor of knowledge sharing behavior. Next, research limitation. 1 is population and location limitation. 2. The research sample was limited to the number of teachers willing to be respondents. 3. Limit research variables. And the last, the research used a cross-sectional design, so it also describes the relationship between variables at a specific point in time. Next, recommendation for future researchers. Future researchers are advised to explain the scope of their research, to other schools. In this recommend to add other variables that may influence knowledge sharing behavior. In addition to quantitative approaches, future researchers may consider using qualitative methods such as an interview or observation. And the last, future research may use a longitudinal design to observe change in knowledge sharing behavior over a period of the time. That's the end of my presentation. More or less, please forgive me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.